It's 75 inches across. I think I cut 70. Geez, what do I even cut across? Brought to you in the wonderful state of Washington, which has beautiful weather today. We're gonna mill up this sycamore today and see what's inside of this thing, and it's big. It's bigger than I thought, and it's bigger than I might be able to mill, so we're gonna have to do some trimming on it, and let's see what we can do. Where did my tip go? I got a tip for you. Don't get trees that are bigger than your saw. Don't use that one. 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 So this was spotted already in the tree, and we're hoping not to find any more metal than that right there. But that thing's gonna be cutting out of there. You use that nice little saw right there to cut her out of there. Please, for the sake of the trees, can we stop hanging things off of them? Our poor chainsaws and chains are taking a beating. For only the cost of not hanging things off of trees, you can save a chain. That wood looks gorgeous though. That grain is crazy. I mean, that grain is crazy. Minus the F words. How pink it gets. I mean, that's like a salmon down here. Making me hungry. Dude, holy cow, that looks like, it looks like you're looking at a fir tree or like a birch tree on acid. Woo-wee. All right, 3.5 inch cuts. That'll give us 100 slabs. Don't put your fingers in there. That's big wood. All right, well, the Washington weather has beat us today. I am retiring, and so is the rest of us. We're gonna continue cutting on this thing probably next week or something. There's only so much rain and so many numb fingers we could all handle. Oliver, he says he's ready to go. But Michael, what do you think of this big wood?
How long is it?
How long is it? It's like over 12 feet. 12 feet is pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Is it cold up here?
Yes.
Are you ready to go out here?
Yes.
I love you. Mwah. All right, let's go down. I got you, I got you. Ugh.